Assalamu alaikum to all viewers. You are watching my channel Sindhi Speeches by Majid Mehri. Worthy principal, respectable teachers, and all my dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum. Happy Independence Day. Dear fellows, today the topic of my speech is 14th of August, Pakistan's Independence Day. I would like to start my speech with this quote from the greatest scientist of the world, Albert Einstein, that freedom in any case is only possible by consistently struggling for it. Dear fellows, today is a day on which we gained freedom from the British. Before August 14th, 1947, we were slaves and oppressed under British colonial rule. Muslims were deprived of educational, religious, political, constitutional, social, and human rights. The British had absolute control over the administration, politics, and resources of the subcontinent. They extracted precious minerals and materials, while Muslims felt threatened by Hindus due to their majority status. The attitude and policies of the British and Hindus towards Muslims and other minorities were not friendly. The Muslim leadership recognized these threats, which is why they formed a political party called the Muslim League. The Muslim League was not only just a party but a platform for Muslims to voice their concerns to the authorities. After experiencing the injustice of both the British and Hindus, the Muslim leadership demanded a separate nation called Pakistan. For the downtrodden Muslims of the subcontinent, the Muslim League led this movement towards the creation of Pakistan. Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah, Allama Iqbal, Maulana Muhammad Ali Johar, Maulana Shaukat Ali Johar, and many other leaders played pivotal role in this long struggle for independence. Through this victory, we gained the freedom of practice to practice our religion, uphold our ethnic values, enjoy liberty, autonomy, and human rights. We created our own country, Pakistan, as a sacred land. Let's feel proud, grateful, and united today. We are the children of a brave nation. Let's honor our heroes, cherish our freedom, and build a brighter future. Long live Pakistan. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much.